You will start speaking French in 3 days with this course. That's our guarantee. Complete the course and we'll give you an $80 discount on our premium courses. You will get a certificate of achievement. That's our guarantee. Welcome to Simple French with Hems. Can you finish a free French course and learn French with confidence without any remorse? Can you master 125 plus graded quizzes? +25 grammar videos. This is the alphabet A. And the way to pronounce it is ah. Ah. Give a back pain of some sort. Ooh, huge. Ah. Alright? Bay. The San Francisco Bay or any other bay, you know? We have this word in English, B-A-Y, bay, bay, bay. So, ah, bay. Perfect. So, tu, when you are with your friend. But vous, when you are speaking to, say, your boss, your father, you always have to follow the rule. Get the verb, remove the ER, get the base form, and add the endings to the base form. Speaking practice. J'aime regarder des films et mange de la pizza. And A over here means and. A and D, which means and. J'écoute la radio. I listen to the radio. Dictation tests.
Il y a une fille. Il y a une fille.
Next one.
Elle est une encyclopédie.
Get started now and pave the path to your success today.